So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to apply branding on your YouTube channel. Now, if you don't know what is branding, branding is nothing but this image, whatever is going to be displayed on the bottom of your video. Okay. So once you apply the branding, it is going to appear on all of the videos in your entire channel. So that's the beauty of it. And you also have an option to choose whether it has to play throughout the video or during a specific time or maybe at the beginning, whatever you want. So there is an option to do that. And the beauty with this is, okay, they can just click on subscribe from here itself. Okay, so that's the beauty with that. And let me show you how to do that. So just click on the channel icon, whatever you see on the top right corner. Go to YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, so you see an option called as customization. Just click on customization. Once you click on that, you see multiple options there: layout, branding, and basic info. Just click on branding. So in this section, you can actually change your profile picture, okay, of the channel. You can change the profile picture of the channel. You can also apply the banner here. Okay, they have also given the dimensions, what is required for that. Okay, so if you are going to apply a profile picture, it should be 98 into 98 minimum. And at least it should be less than 4 MB. So that's how it is mentioned. And banner image also, the dimensions have been given. Just below that, you have video watermark. Okay, so right now I have already applied the watermark. I'll quickly change it and show you how to do that. So if you're going to have a transparent image, then that's great. Okay, so make sure if you're having a transparent image, use that. Let me just quickly click on change. So now I am going to use this image, okay, so which has a subscribe on top of that. Let me apply this and show you once it is applied. So earlier, okay, so for using a video watermark, okay, the image should be less than 1 MB. The image whatever I used was more than 1 MB. So let me just quickly reduce the size of it and then apply that, okay. So now I have reduced the size, and this is a PNG file. Okay, so let me just select that and click on done. Okay, now you could see that this has been applied. Okay, so once you do that, make sure you are going to hit that publish button. And one more thing, as I said earlier, make sure you are not selecting end of the video or custom start time. It's always preferred that you have the branding for the entire video. So I have just selected entire video. Let me just click on publish. And let me just open up one of the video and show you if it has been applied. Okay, so you could see that now you are able to see the branding image at the bottom. Okay, so that's how exactly you apply branding on your channel, and see you in the next video.